Fix Xiaomi tag pairing, mock screens only. Before blaming the tag, turn on Bluetooth, location, and scan for nearby devices in Android settings. Press and hold the Xiaomi tag button until it chirps. That chirp means the tag is broadcasting again. Hold the Xiaomi tag almost against the back of the phone for the first handshake. Move it away only after pairing starts. If the pop-up still fails, open Find Hub, tap Add Device, choose New Device, and keep the tag in pairing mode. If the tag pairs and drops, check the CR2032 and confirm the Shipping Pull tab was removed. Update Find Hub from the Play Store. If your region uses Mi Home for setup, follow that official app path instead. Use a battery out reset last. If the tag came from another phone, remove it from that phone first, or pairing can stay blocked. Scan the QR for the full HotAirTag guide.